blank. Nope. Dude, what is my teammate doing? Point blank. Yeah, I am garbage. Sorry, man. I'm garbage. Point blank, please. Is that point blank? Yeah, thank you. Oh, why? Bro, my eye. Bro, there's something in my eye. Oh, why does he spawn there? If we make this comeback, it's gonna greatest thing ever. Point blank. How is that not point blank? No one will never know. Sorry. I feel bad, bro. No. Of course, when I turn around. Oh, great. Bro, give me a point blank, please. I'm begging. Please. Oh. I'm dead. No! Stop capping! Begging you. Why am I second on the leaderboard? I haven't done anything special. Yes! Yes! Gold, gold, gold. Where's my gold? Hello? 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 Yeah, I done. Oh my god, I'm gonna restart my game, I swear to god. Oh my god. Here, I'm gonna show you guys a very cheesy spot to get long shots in hardcore. Come on. Get. Damn, It's another one. Okay, man, they're probably camping. I'm like I am. I don't. My bad, man. That's three, right? That should be good. I'll get one for safe measure. Boop. Yeah. I guess I'm done. Long shots? Of course. Of course. One more. Jesus Christ. One more and then I'm done. Go for this gun and then I can move on. Probably to the Bullfrog, because that's the best SMG after MP5 got nerfed. Jesus, bro. Bro, like, I have this one class, like, it's math class, of course. Like, I'm actually pretty decent at math, like, the work is pretty easy. But my teacher's projects, bro, she gave us a project, before spring break. Like, right before spring break. Like, are you serious? It's due Sunday, and right now it's, like, Friday. And I don't want to do it. I hate Bro, I swear, if you're a teacher like that, I'm gonna... Ooh, gotta calm down here. Hold my horses. Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come on. I just need one kill. Come on. Is that it? I don't know if that's it or not. That's for sure it. Get me out of here. I think that's it. Hopefully. Hopefully that's the one. Jeez, bro. And it is. Let's go. And now I need one point Point blank. Point blank kill. Just one. And if you're wondering my ideal class setup for this, after the nerf, be the task force, because you get the before the nerf. This would be the normal effective damage, the field agent grip, 40 round speed mag, airborne elastic wrap, and the stock. I know some of you are thinking, oh, why are you using the 40 rounds speed mag? It does negative 20%. Well, that's because, at least to me, if you can get your ADS time under 300, it doesn't matter either or. Like, it's just if you, yeah, it doesn't matter. You just gotta pre-aim. You know, just gotta anticipate somebody coming. And yeah, that would be my ideal class setup. Okay, now let's get this gold. Okay, I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop, bro. I'm having way too much fun with myself. Pause. One and done, bro. One and done, and I'm out of here. How am I gonna get big off of YouTube? I saw that bitch. Oh. That's it. Gold. Let's go. And I am out of here. Finally. Jesus, man. Oh god, that took me way longer than expected. You want to see how, bro? I played this game for 18 hours and 38 minutes. Almost have 2,000 eliminations or kills. And yeah, and it took me that long to get gold. Bro, I played this game casually, okay? I couldn't stay up all night to play this game. I had school, okay? I'm sorry. Finally, I got this gun gold. Jeez, that took me forever. I kind of wish they didn't do 10 meters for the regular effective damage range. I wish they did at least 12 because it is really poopy against mid-range people. Now, it's like really good close range, which is what an SMG should be, really close range, but you know, like ARs are pretty good even after the nerf and stuff. So yeah, I don't know. The burst SMG, people are like craving about it or raving about it, but it's not it, bro. I don't like it. It's probably because I never leveled it up and I don't have the attachments for it, but yeah, man, I don't know, man. Yeah, look at these. We're having Xbox like S, like just normal, not series, and the graphics are kind of poopy. Ooh. Oh, okay. Look at this, man. Yo. I wish they put gold all over though. Like, you know where the black stuff is? Like, I wish it was gold. Or at least the barrel. Like, the grip and stuff, like, I don't mind. But I wish the stock and the barrel was gold. It is gold. There's something missing from